Naku apa tip siapang cumi. Keremen pat. Bapinom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kakanhun Menteri Joko Sorkar Jala Pratarik Unaitung Arja Penrio Kelamanjur yang jing terwa na katanat Information and Technology ban Mang bisa susu nagbenta ban Shna Cafeteria ban yak Auditorium hakajaka badang lai Shillong Technology Park kabadan hakasnong Sauli New Shillong. Jing kran mikilat batai kubor Menteri Rangba lihat tu bak Shillong Technology Park kabla Shna kasnong Sauli hakajing Mang bisa bakot Chispa Arpo Klur kala jandep artat badhakani kekenti ke Sorkar lamang pisa susu sa live henry Klur tengka Shna saya Cafeteria badia ka Auditorium.
As you're aware that the IT park, the second IT park in building in Sauli is almost close to completion, and there is of course the original estimates of about 120 crores plus was there. That project and that part is already complete. But there was more space that was there available, and the IT department has proposed that that space also should be utilized further to create plug and play space for additional seats. At the same time, a large cafeteria should be constructed additional, and a large auditorium to be constructed. So therefore, the civil work and the additional work required for the interiors and also to centralize the air conditioning because a lot of the international firms that are coming there have mentioned this to us. So all of this work is there, for which an estimate which has been cleared by planning and finance also, and based on the SORs that are there, the additional requirements for this additional space, additional building to be constructed, another 36 crores was required. And as you are aware that we have taken a decision that any project where any kind of estimate where additional amount of more than 25% is required, it is mandatory for it to be brought to the cabinet. Earlier, that wasn't the requirement. Earlier, the departments were competent enough to approve it with planning department, but recently we have changed that and we've made it mandatory that all estimates which are enhanced more than 25% must be brought to cabinet for approval. So based on that particular decision, this particular project also has been brought for approval, like many other projects in the past, and the cabinet has approved based on all the details that were provided to us.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.